On this week's hashtag Wits Where in the State, we're going to immerse ourselves into an art museum. Bet you never heard that before. And what are you doing?
You can slide.
One problem. I had to do the curly slide last time we were here. She got to do the straight side. Something's wrong. Let's go find out more.
This week, we return to Factory Obscura, where...
Wow, Jeff, can't take him anywhere.
I'm sorry.
Anyway, Factory Obscura is an art museum that's like none other because you can immerse yourself in fun around every corner.
And check it out. Now you can take a journey through the past, present, and future with Time Slip, Slip, Slip.
We're going to have to get a sound effect guy in here to help you out with that echo, Jeff.
Time Slip, Slip, Slip.
Time Slip feels like you're traveling the labyrinth of time, where you encounter huge purring space llamas and new creations.
Kelsey Carper does a better job of talking about what Time Slip is.
Our new experience is called Time Slip, Tomorrow, Now, and Back Again. And it's temporary, open just for the summer, June 8th through September 30th. And Time Slip is an experience that's going to take a little bit of a look back on Factory Obscura's past, but we're also kind of envisioning our future and some of our plans for where we want to go.
What's really cool is 17 different artists created all that stuff, which is why you'll have so much fun at this interactive playground.
I mean, truly, isn't this place amazing? Kids of all ages love the Touchables and all the other interactive stuff.
I like how it's crazy. My favorite room is the one with the sea.
The one with the sea, the underwater one?
Yeah.
Why is that one your favorite?
Because it has like that phone.
Oh, you like phoning the people in New Mexico?
Yeah.
Gotta tell you, that young lady knows her stuff.
She might just take my job, Jeff. If you'd like to know more about Factory Obscura, visit factoryobscura.com.
All right, try not to squint. I know it's bright. Okay, we obviously showed you how much fun you could have at Factory Obscura Mixtape, but you had the best reason.
Yeah, it's going to be cool in there all summer long. You can spend all day in there exploring because they're adding new stuff all the time, including this new exhibit. You've got to see it for yourself.
So do us a favor, when you come out here, say we saw and heard all about you. Where?
On Where in the State.
Nicely done. All right, we're going to squint now.
Time Slip. Time Slip. Time Slip. Time Slip.